Hello, I'm Jhone Ebert, the new superintendent, and I'm elated to be back with the Clark County School District and extremely grateful to the Board of School Trustees for entrusting me to lead our district. As I start my first week, I'm excited to begin having conversations with families, community members, all throughout Southern Nevada with a focus on academic achievement, rebuilding trust, and restoring confidence in our district. When we work together, our families, educators, community partners, we create a strong foundation for our students, for our children, and we make sure that all of our children thrive. Your voices matter, and I look forward to learning how we can get better at getting better to support our children's education. Together, we can make meaningful progress right now, supporting students, celebrating their growth, and ensuring a strong finish to the school year. Thank you.